The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is 10th of April and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 8 verses 51 to 59. Jesus said, "Whoever keeps my word will never see death." That was strange for the people of his time. That was something new, and it was actually scandalizing for the people of his time, because never that they have heard someone who didn't die. In fact, they were arguing, Abraham died, the prophets died, and you are saying that you will not die? And with that, the more they tried to destroy Jesus. And what Jesus did? He simply walked away from them, because his time has not yet come. If we come to analyze it well, the reaction of the people and of the religious leaders was actually understandable, because it was something new. It was somewhat revolutionary. And Jesus didn't want to enforce what he believed. As if he said, okay, I told you the truth. I am opening the truth to you and I'm living up to you if you want to believe or not. He let his works speak for himself. But then again, some were brave enough to accept even without completely understanding. And some others even gave up their lives for the sake of the truth of Jesus' words. And they were rewarded with heaven. Are we brave enough? In fact, we should be even braver than them. Because today, we already understood a little bit. We received our faith beautifully presented to us, analyzed by the saints. But we are still not brave enough to stand for our faith. He will be waiting for us until finally we are ready to say, I believe that you truly are my Savior. In this coming Holy Week celebration, Jesus Christ will once again remind us that life is everlasting if we believe on Him, because there is the gift of resurrection for us. God bless you.